Everyone online says the same thing now. Learn AI. AI is the future. Upskill or die. But every time I ask which AI skill actually pays, the answers get vague.
That's because most AI skills don't pay that well.
Wait, what? That's literally all I hear. AI engineers make bank. 6 figures guaranteed.
Exactly. Most people are chasing the loud version of AI. The money is hiding in the quiet one.
So you're saying all these AI engineer roles are fake?
Not fake, just average. $80,000 to $120,000 globally. That's not AI money. That's normal tech money wearing an AI hoodie.
Then who's actually getting paid?
The people doing the boring work no one brags about.
Define boring.
Before I answer that, if you want to know where money actually hides in tech careers, subscribe to Paper Money. We don't chase hype, we explain the mechanics. And what I'm about to tell you could save you 2 to 3 years of chasing the wrong skills. All right, boring work. Let me explain. Keeping AI systems alive at 3 a.m., making sure models don't hallucinate on customer data, reducing cloud bills by 40% without breaking anything, shipping products that actually work. That's where the real salaries are.
So it's not about building the AI, it's about maintaining it?
Here's the mistake everyone makes. They think high-paying AI jobs are about research, papers, novel architectures. I built GPT-5 from scratch. But here's the reality. 95% of AI jobs are production. And only 5% of people want to do production work.
So, scarcity.
Exactly.
Okay, give me an example. What's skill number 1?
ML Ops Engineer.
ML Ops? That sounds boring.
Precisely. No one dreams of becoming an ML Ops engineer, but every company with real AI in production desperately needs them. $100K starting, $150,000 to $220,000 in 5 years, sometimes more.
Wait, why so high?
Because they solve the problems companies are bleeding money on. Model deployment, version control, monitoring, rolling back disasters at 2 a.m. They're not smarter than researchers. They're just solving problems companies are desperate to solve.
What about prompt engineering? That's everywhere now.
That's the biggest trap. Writing prompts? Oversaturated. $60,000 to $80,000 ceiling. But building production LLM systems? RAG pipelines, cost optimization, API integration, fine-tuning for specific domains. That jumps straight to $140,000 to $200,000.
Same label, completely different job.
Exactly. One is a commodity. The other is engineering. Skill 3. AI infrastructure engineer. The people who make sure your GPU clusters don't cost more than the product they're running.
That's specific.
And expensive. $130,000 to $200,000 in the US. $180,000 to $280,000 at top companies. Because one optimization can save a company $2 million a year.
So the rule is, don't be generic.
Let's go deeper than that. Skill 4. Pair AI with a domain. Healthcare, finance, legal, robotics. A generic NLP engineer? $90,000 to $130,000. An NLP engineer who understands legal contracts? $150,000 to $220,000. The AI didn't change. The context did.
So you're not selling AI skills. You're selling AI plus industry knowledge.
Now you're getting it. And skill 5. The one no one talks about. AI safety and compliance engineer.
That sounds regulatory, boring.
It's the most boring, and it pays $140,000 to $240,000. Because the moment AI touches healthcare, finance, or government, companies get terrified of lawsuits. Bias detection, explainability, audit trails, unglamorous work, critical work, very well-paid work. Here's what most people miss. By 2030, generic AI salaries will compress. Too many people, too little differentiation. But production engineers with domain knowledge, they'll still be paid very well because they don't just know AI, they make money with it.
So what should someone actually do in 2026?
Pick one boring, unsexy skill. Build one production-grade project. Open source it. Don't ask, is this cool? Ask, would a company trust this in production? Money in AI isn't where Twitter is loud. It's where systems are fragile.
That's oddly reassuring.
It should be. If this changed how you think about AI careers, subscribe to Paper Money. We don't chase hype. We explain where the money actually hides. And before you go, answer this in the comments. Which boring problem would you rather get paid to solve? ML ops, production LLM systems, AI infrastructure, domain-specific AI, or safety and compliance? Because in 5 years, that answer decides your salary.